going, driving like crazy. Now you know what the Guptas are doing in Dubai. And an unsuspecting curve right next to you, that could be problematic. Which I would be a bit...
Shut up, bro. Yo! We're busy with a desert safari. Okay, what are you doing?
Careful of
Look on the right side.
Oh, check the right hand side, guys. Oh my god, yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't believe this. I don't know if this is what I signed up for. I'm trying to train a very type of experience of the real Dubai. So you can go to the malls and all of that, and that's what we're going to do. But the real smell, culture, the taste and the sounds of it all is right here in the souks. When your neighbor opens up a similar shop to yours, then all hell breaks loose and it's a big disaster. In Dubai, it's absolutely different. Behind us, you see all these boats moving up and down. Watch this. We found him sitting there, relaxed all out while we were panicking about where he was.
They got the train and nothing to do with me.
Just coming in at the Dubai Mall, there's this huge bridge. Everything in the mall is big. But this is absolutely amazing. The roads are clean. We just found out where the Guptas and Jacob Zuma is. I'm telling you, the Duduzanis also running around. Water is not my thing.
Well, I can't swim either. So.
You can't swim either?
You're in the
Oh
same
my
boat here.
god, inna lillahi. Finally inside, it's a whole process. This is the Lost Chambers Aquarium. I think for me it's really an aqua venture. Look at this. How does the audience really now shit scared of this shit? We're at the Mall of the Emirates. In the heart of the desert, you can actually ski on ice. This is Dubai Airport. We're on our way to Thailand. The city, temples, and again, the culture and lifestyle. Visit the elders of the Buddhist monastery. Where we are now is the main and most important Buddha temple. Lunch, fantastic as usual, but this is the authentic Thai lunch. So I I lost Hussein and Asimir and Amit when I rocked up here before they were here. This morning. That includes the James Bond Island. Experiencing some turbulence on top of the elephant. We're getting ready to go to the James Bond Island, and in true style we've just put on our parachutes.
Life jackets.
Life jackets, and we're on our way. Finally at what they're calling James Bond Island. Finally I found out this place is called Pang now, and I found out always in Cape Town they talk about Pang, man. Now I found out where Pang really come from. Pang. Oh yeah, sorry, the Skelemapangs are from the Cape. Every day we've just been eating.
I enjoyed it, but I'm also tired. I want to sleep now. So.
สวัสดีค่ะ
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 คิวขอบคุณค่ะ
I love getting in touch with nature on these trips. Amazing walk in the jungle. Whitewater rafting. Now I asked Amit what is whitewater rafting. He says the water turns white.
Awesome.
Crazy.
That was.
This is the monkey temple. Without any disrespect, I'm a bit confused. I don't know if the monkeys are the gods or are they the ones coming to the temple. I'm just not sure.
Faisal, not supposed to do that.
Not again.
Did you notice all the cables here?
If this was in South Africa, the whole country would have been shot to death already with cable theft. On our way to the Juma, anywhere around the world that you go to, right here in the Far East, the Adhan is something which is obviously common for us and something we identify with. After the Juma, we met up with the local Imam discussing just very briefly Islam in Thailand. We're in search of some great food.
Expensive, but refreshing.
You make chopped cat. Chopped cat, yes. Julle het nie 'n kat gevang en die ding geslag nie. Nee, hulle vang sommer alles en chop dit goed op.
All randomly planned.
Randomly planned, yes, that's what it is. And that's what traveling is about. But sometimes you ask for a pear and you get an apple, and sometimes you ask for garlic and you get a pizza.
Breakfast is served. Some of the prices is actually not bad. Some of the stuff is much cheaper than by us, and then some of the stuff is.
Sê vir my, het jy Luban? Ek wil Luban brand, want daar's 'n gin in my kamer. Ek dink die goed is van Germany.
Nie ons van Suid-Afrika?
Regtig?
Ja.
Suid-Afrikaners.
Never use the Afrikaans language thinking that nobody understands. I was gonna ask him if he make chop snake, want hulle chop sommer die slange op. If you're coming to the shopping mall, don't expect anything different to your pricing in South Africa. I've stir fry. That's just giving me the creeps. Then, finally found the restaurant. Thank God for my iPhone X. It's waterproof and I could use my maps. But we finally here, drenched. Hi there, South Africa. It's my birthday today.
Faisal doesn't know where he's going for his birthday. Fly by fly lunch on board on this boat, James Bond Island again. That's for Faisal's birthday because he liked it so much.
Feels like a tropical jungle. our food is halal. They say halal. Halal.
This is how we feed Faisal on his birthday.
As they say in Thai, Aroima.
Happy birthday, Faisal.
And we visit Amit's family on the island. Look at these stalactites coming down. It means that they're here for millions of years. And then people like this comes along.
Do you feel us?
5 islands, 3 provinces today. Kainai Island, Phang Nga Province. Next stop, Yao Hai Island. Ahoy, next stop, Bamboo Island.
Ready for some snorkeling.
Last of 5 islands, Maya Beach. Lau Sama Bay. Ek ken nie vir Lau Sama nie.
Ik het Lausama gekry.
We just arrived at Had No Parakatara.
What does it mean?
Dis 'n vrou sê.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Sorry, crap. Crap.
Be quick, Faisal.
Can I go?
I got that also in.
Can I go?
Yes.
Welcome to PP Island. By the way, why do they call it PP Island? Been a fantastic stay in Divana Batong. We on our way out. They say it ain't over until it's over.
Food in Thailand was beyond my expectation.
We have to head back home.
The thing they're always thinking is that we're always only eating.
Very strange to run into people that follow you all the way in Thailand.
I recognize that voice, I must say.
From nowhere.
From nowhere.
And I thought
I had to turn around.
I'm in disguise. Ek mens kan nêrens gaan nie.
Nee, dis die waarheid. Kyk wie ek raak geloop in die middel van Phuket in Thailand.
Sawadee ka. Thank you, Thailand.
Thank you, sir.
Listen, we need pork flavor patty. I'm not sure if they said fly nice or they said fried rice or fly lice. One of the things, because here they actually say for fried rice, they say fly lice.
Funniest thing was Faisal's comment about the monkey temple, to which the French lady in the taxi cracked herself.
We finally arrived back in Cape Town. But here's the thing, man. This one's saying he loves Phuket, Thailand, and Hussein and I are saying Africa for life.